Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can add Spotify widget on iPhone's lock screen. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first go to your app store and from here, search for an app called TuneTrack. So once you found it, you can install it on your device, just like you would with any other apps on the App Store. Okay, so once it's done installing, you can go ahead and launch the app. Okay, now once it is launched, you can tap on the middle option in the bottom. And from here, you just have to allow access for TuneTrack. Now, next, tap on Spotify and tap on Open. So this is going to take you to Spotify. Okay, now from here, you just have to authorize TuneTrack and click on Agree. Alright, so after that, you just have to press down on your home screen and add widget just like you would with any other widget. Now here, find TuneTrack and tap on Add Widget. Alright, so there you have it guys. This is how you can add Spotify widget on iPhone lock screen. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.